Hey guys, today we are playing Toca again for the 1 million for the 732,156 time. And this is about a hurricane. The story starts. Why is everybody in this house so obsessed with the second floor? Okay. It is nighttime. Okay, Billy. You guys can play with the cats. You guys can play with the cat as long as you want. Yay! Yippee! I love playing with the cats. It's my favorite hobby. Let's play fetch. Okay. Fetch the ball, kitty. Fetch the ball, Toca. Come on. Fetch it to me. Okay. Fetch. Catch it, Toca. Oh no, it's raining. Emma, it's raining. Oh no. Mama, Papa. What's happened? Yeah, what's happened? What happened? What happened? There was a storm. Oh no, is it the hurricane? Breaking news! There's a hurricane passing Toca City. Please hurry up and evacuate. Just kidding, there's no hurricane. Huge flood coming and coming. What the heck? Flood? God, it's not a hurricane. It's a flood. What? We have to go to a city with no flood. Hurry up. And you only have 5 minutes left until the hurricane starts, until the flood starts. Here? No, this has a hurricane too. And this also has a hurricane. This also has a... Good thing Bob City doesn't have any floods. Let's go to the shop. Wait, why is it a black screen? Shop. It has many foods. Okay guys, we're here. We're here! Yay! Okay, one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, all 6 people of the family are here. I'm hungry. I'm like a hot. Ew! I hate a hot dog like this. I need sausage. We need sausage. Where is sausage?
Anna, sushi. Okay.
Yay, hot dog. I love hot dog. Meat. Just want some orange juice, that's all. Delicious. Me want burger. Me make burger. Yeah, I have made burger. Anyone want to try burger? No. Me want fried chicken. There's no air fryer. So just eat it like this. That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Mama, why did he force me to eat it? Why? Oh, because there's no air fryer. That's the only choice. Wait, Emma, come back. I'll ground you if you keep running. Okay. Bear. I love my bear. Stuffed bear. Mama! What? What? Can we get this for William and James? No. No. Well, I guess we have to go to bed. Where do we sleep? Yeah, there's no bed or anything. Let's just make a bed. I still haven't eaten anything. I want tortillas. I love tortillas. Potato chips. Potato chips, yeah. Oof, there's no money. At least my husband has his wallet. What? I said, look. This place is cursed. This place is cursed. How can people eat money here? Don't say what? That was disgusting. That was disgusting. Ew. How? Can I eat the toilet paper? No. Hidden money. It's dawn. Hurry up, make your beds. What is it? Everybody's asleep except Emma. It's morning. Ring, 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 ring. Stop taking out these. Ring, 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 ring. Okay, the alarm's seriously, so shut up. The hurricane stop. Hurricane has passed Toca City. You can go. Yay! Let's go. Let's go back to Toca City. At least we got some life savings. Okay, bye guys. See you later.